Did you know that the vibrant blue bird visiting your backyard isn't actually blue? In fact, if you were to take a blue jay's feather and crush it into a powder, the blue color would completely disappear, leaving behind only a dull brown dust. This is just one of the many mind-blowing secrets of one of North America's most intelligent and misunderstood birds. Today, we read diving deep into the world of the blue jay to uncover why they are far more than just a pretty face in the trees. To understand the blue jay, we first have to look at that stunning plumage. The blue we see is actually a scientific illusion called structural coloration. Unlike many other birds that get their color from pigments in the food they eat, blue jays have unique microscopic structures in their feathers that interfere with light. These structures reflect only the blue wavelength of the light spectrum while absorbing others. It's the same physical phenomenon that makes the sky look blue. This means that if you see a blue jay in the shade or on a very cloudy day, it might actually look gray or brown because there isn't enough direct light to create the blue reflection. But don't let their beauty fool you. These birds are the geniuses of the avian world. Blue jays belong to the Corvidae family, making them close relatives of crows, ravens, and magpies. This family is widely considered the most intelligent group of birds on the planet. In laboratory settings, blue jays have been observed using strips of newspaper as tools to reach food that was out of their grasp. They have incredible memories and complex social structures, often staying with the same mate for life and working together to protect their territory. One of their most impressive and somewhat mischievous traits is their ability to mimic other animals. If you've ever been outside and heard the piercing cry of a red-shouldered hawk, only to look up and see a blue jay, you've been tricked. Blue jays are master impressionists. They frequently mimic hawk calls for specific reasons. First, it serves as a warning to other jays that a predator is nearby. Second, and more deviously, they use the hawk's cry to scare other birds away from bird feeders, giving the blue jay exclusive access to all the seeds and nuts for themselves. Speaking of food, blue jays are the unsung heroes of our forests. They are famous for caching, which is the process of hiding food for later use. A single blue jay can carry up to 5 acorns at once, 3 in an expandable pouch in its throat called a gular pouch, 1 in its mouth, and 1 in the tip of its beak. Over the course of one autumn, a single bird can bury thousands of acorns across the landscape. Because they are so picky, they only bury the healthiest, most viable seeds. While they remember where most of them are, they inevitably forget a few. Those forgotten acorns eventually grow into massive oak trees, meaning blue jays are single-handedly responsible for the expansion of oak forests across North America. While they have a reputation for being the bullies of the bird feeder, this behavior is actually a sign of their role as the forest's alarm system. They are incredibly bold and territorial. When a predator like an owl or a hawk enters the area, blue jays are often the first to notice. They will let out a specific, loud JJ call to rally other birds. This behavior, known as mobbing, involves a group of smaller birds ganging up on a predator to harass it until it leaves the area. In this way, the bully of the feeder actually acts as a feathered bodyguard for many other species. Their social lives are just as fascinating as their survival tactics. During the nesting season, blue jays are surprisingly quiet and secretive to avoid attracting predators to their young. Both the male and female work together to build the nest, which is a sturdy cup of twigs, roots, and sometimes even bits of string or cloth they find in suburban yards. While the female incubates the eggs, the male is a devoted provider, bringing her food so she never has to leave the nest. This partnership is a testament to the strong social bonds these birds maintain throughout their lives. When it comes to their diet, blue jays are true omnivores. While they love acorns and sunflower seeds, they aren't strictly vegetarians. They eat a wide variety of insects, including caterpillars, beetles, and grasshoppers, which helps keep pest populations in check. On rare occasions, they have been known to eat the eggs or nestlings of other birds, a fact that sometimes earns them a bad reputation among birdwatchers. However, research shows that this makes up an incredibly small percentage of their actual diet, with the vast majority of their energy coming from nuts and seeds. If you live in the eastern or central United States or southern Canada, you likely see these birds every day. Some blue jays are migratory, while others stay in the same spot all year round. Interestingly, scientists still don't fully understand their migration patterns. Some years a certain population will fly south, and the next year they might stay put. Even more baffling is that young jays may migrate while their parents stay behind, or vice versa. It is one of the many mysteries that keep ornithologists studying these bright blue wonders. So the next time you see a blue jay landing on a branch, remember that you're looking at a master gardener, a brilliant mimic, and a bird that uses physics to trick your eyes into seeing blue. They are loud, they are proud, and they are one of the most essential players in the ecosystem. If you enjoyed learning about the secret life of the blue jay, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the incredible world of wildlife. Let us know in the comments, have you ever been tricked by a blue jay's hawk impression? Thanks for watching.